Hi everyone, my name is Leela and welcome to my kitchen. I hope that everyone is ready for the holidays. I know I'm not. I still have my Thanksgiving tablecloth on my table, so hopefully today I will change that out. And I still haven't even gotten a tree yet. But anyway, today I'm going to be making a Szechuan chicken soup. Now this is just my take on Szechuan chicken, but it makes a warm and delicious soup, especially for these cold winter months. So let's go ahead and get started on our Szechuan chicken soup. I'm going to start with 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts with the fat removed, and what I want to do is just cut it into slices that are about 1/4 inch thick and just about this size. Once the chicken slices are cut, I'm going to place them in the bowl and just add the marinade. First I'm going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt, and I just want to mix this in with my hands so that the garlic salt gets distributed evenly. Then I'm going to add 1½ tablespoons of sherry. And now this is just regular cooking sherry, which can usually be found near the vinegar section in most local grocery stores. Then to that I'm going to add the 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch. And the last ingredient is 1 tablespoon of stir-fry oil. Now remember, stir-fry oil has the flavors of ginger, garlic, and onion already infused into it. Sometimes it's called wok oil, but I use I think it's Asian brand stir-fry oil. After peeling the carrots, I just want to chop off the large ends, and then on the small end, I want to chop it off at a diagonal, like this. Then I'm just going to chop the remaining carrot into diagonal slices about 1/4 inch thick. Now here I have a head of broccoli that I've rinsed under cold running water and dried with paper towels. And I just want to cut off the florets. Once they're cut, I want to take any bigger pieces and just break them into smaller pieces about this size. Now for the chili peppers, what I want to do is just chop off the ends like this and then cut them in half. And I'm going to throw these directly into the pot. Now the first thing I want to do is heat the chicken broth in a medium-sized pot on high. And once the chicken broth starts to come to a boil, I'm just going to slowly add in my pieces of chicken. Once the chicken turns opaque and is cooked through, we can add in the sherry, the soy sauce, the garlic, the chili peppers, and the sugar. And we just want to mix thoroughly until everything is mixed together. And once it's mixed together, then we can add in the broccoli and carrots. Then we just want to cover it, turn the heat to low, and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And in a small cup, we just want to mix the cornstarch with just a little bit of water, just until it dissolves. And after 5 minutes, we're just going to add in the cornstarch and then mix it in. And I just want to cover and let it cook for about another 5 minutes. And then after another 5 minutes, you can remove the lid and it is ready to serve. Enjoy!